back to my channel. Today I just want to do a quick video on some of my favorite denim of all time. I've done like the 5 pants you need in your closet. I've done the 5 best like shapes of jeans that you need in your closet. I'm going through today my 5 favorite pairs of denim and the ones that I would absolutely highly recommend to anybody, no matter how tall or short you are, no matter what size you are, curvy, athletic, whatever. Like this works for everyone. These are like my favorite denim of all time. Some of this denim would definitely fall into like more like a luxury section of denim. I have one pair here from like high street stores, but with that being said, you don't need to spend a ton of money to get a great pair that works for you. I've done an entire video on Topshop before. I've showed pairs of garage denim that I also really like, but these are like the denim that if you are trying to create a more minimal wardrobe and you want your things to last you like a really long time, I highly recommend any of the denim that I show here. Also, if you guys want to see me style any of these, because the likelihood of any of these showing up on my Instagram is quite high, head on over to my Instagram. Yeah, first pair I have here is the Goldie 90s fit. Guys, these are great. For those who need a size reference, I'm gonna have it all in the description box below, but I am about 5'4.5", and I usually wear a size 25 denim. Sometimes I size up to a 26, depending on obviously the fit. The 90s fit, this is like my true love. I wear a 25 in these, and I want to show you guys them in the original denim, but what you may be more familiar seeing them in is the white pair that I'm currently actually wearing right now. These are the exact same fit. I actually have 3 pairs of these. I have 2 of the white because I wear them so much, and then I have this blue pair. You can grab these at Aritzia, you can grab these on Revolve, you can grab them on Shopbop, I believe. There's so many places you can get them, and they are really great. They do go on sale on Intermix once in a while. I've seen them there, but even buying them full price, they are a little bit painful to buy because they are quite expensive. I love these. I wear them all the time, and honestly, if I had to have one pair of denim in my closet, this would be a strong contender. They go with everything. This is just like the best casual jean ever. Moving on to Everlane. I love Everlane denim, honestly. It's really affordable considering the quality, and I think it's very comparable to some of my most expensive denim here. This is the Everlane 90s high-rise straight. I have these in a size 25 regular length, and I probably could have done with the petite, but these are really great. They're just a plain white straight leg denim, super high-waisted, nips you in at the waist, makes your bum look really good. This, I would say, makes your bum look a little bit flatter, but I mean, I don't really mind that, but these are just really great. I love jeans. When I look for a pair of white denim, I often go for ones that are not exactly that super stark white, kind of like the t-shirt I'm wearing here. This is more like a bone color, so it's like slightly off-white, so you can see the difference in between these two. But these are great. They look great with everything. I think they're really comfortable. They're very true to size, and they have like just a little bit of stretch that doesn't make them super rigid, which I can also really appreciate. I also think it's really important to have some pairs of denim in your closet that do not have holes in them. This is mainly because that way you can kind of get away with them when you're able to go into the office again and wear them casually, or if you have something that you want to just dress up a little bit for but may not suit the whole ripped jeans vibe. I think having something like this in your closet is great. This is my favorite pair of thrifted / like vintage jeans of all time. I got these in LA at the Rose Bowl Flea. They were like 20 bucks. They fit perfect. I never had to alter them or anything. And these were originally Levi's 505. So if you have a similar body shape to me or just want a shape like this, look for the 505s. I always thought that 501 was like my thing. It's not. 505s. The only thing is they don't reach up as high on your waist as some of like the regular typical mom jeans. Usually those cover my belly button. This one does not. If I'm wearing a crop top with this, I know that my entire stomach is going to show. It's just a thing, but these fit so good. They make your butt look phenomenal. So if you are looking for like a vintage pair, try the 505s instead of the 501s and see if it works for you. Also, like, guys, like these are the perfect amount of distress. They are just everything to me. They're just so one of a kind, and you guys know my love of vintage and thrifted Levi's and denim in general, but these are just, I am never ever gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna wear them when I'm like 100 years old. I also love a good light wash. I think everyone needs one in their closet. Okay, moving on to a pair of denim that I think a lot of people have asked me about this brand, and it is Reformation. Reformation makes amazing denim, and surprisingly, compared to the prices of some of their other stuff, like my friends and I just don't understand why their denim is probably the most affordable thing out of everything that they sell. I have the Liza straight jean, and these are so great because they have the right amount of stretch in them. They are completely ethical and sustainable. I believe they are made in Los Angeles. I got these in a size 25 and they fit really, really great. I have 3 pairs of Reformation jeans. I love them all. The only thing about Ref is that the length is crazy. Like the length and all of those jeans are just absurdly long. They're literally made for girls who are like 6 feet tall. And I just like don't get it, because like if you're a size 24, 25, or even 26, the likelihood of you being over 6 feet. I mean, I don't know. But I can definitely tailor them, or these ones, like because they're straight, you can get away with the length and it's not so bad. But some of my more like flared ones, I definitely had to like cut them and cut the bottoms. But they're so comfy, super stylish. I've worn these with blazers. This is just like an easy pair of denim that I'm really happy I have in my closet. My friends and I love Ref so much that we each have pretty much this pair and maybe like slightly different styles, but we have all of them in this wash, and I believe this is the Palermo wash. They have a good return policy, so I highly recommend trying them on before committing to them. I mean, I know it's hard in this type of environment right now, but you just like never really know until you try them on. Okay, moving on to my final pair, and then we have an honorable mention. It is this pair from Topshop, and I could not do this whole video without showing a flared pair. I haven't been wearing flared recently, but out of all the flares I have in my closet, I would feel like this is definitely the top one. Happens to be from Topshop. These are the Jamie Flare, and I have them in a waist 26, length 30, and guys, Jamie Flares. Jamie is like the best jean for your butt on the high street. They always just make your bum look really, really good. And they come in a flared version. I know I've mentioned this before, and I just love them so much because they're super flattering. They definitely can be worn in so many different ways. And also having a black pair of denim, I think is like an essential in every person's closet. Man or woman, I just think that you definitely will run into a situation where you need to wear all black, and I feel like a really sharp pair of black denim is really great. Yeah, I really like these. I think that they're awesome. Flares are just so flattering. They make your legs look like they go on for freaking ever, and that's why I love them too. But yeah, these cinch you in the waist. If you guys notice, I'm not a huge fan of low-rise jeans. High-rise is definitely the way to go for me, especially because I wear a lot of crop tops and I just feel a little bit more comfortable that way. But yeah, I really, really like these. I also have them in a regular blue because I love them so much. And then I have to give an honorable mention. Don't have it here. Oh, I do have it. Give an honorable mention to my most favorite pair of denim right now, which isn't really a pair, it's a skirt. But it is this skirt that I made out of a pair of Levi's pants that I just sewed in one of my most recent DIY videos. Honestly, guys, I just want to kind of hone in the fact that even though some of these are a little bit pricey and I think are definitely great recommendations if you are looking to spend a little bit more on denim and really like curate a wardrobe that is going to last you a long time, you don't have to spend a ton of money to have style. I have tons of DIYs on how to take in denim, on how to make denim skirts and shorts and everything on my channel, so I just want to like put in this little like friendly reminder to show you guys you can definitely thrift something and totally make it your own and totally make it look like some of the denim here. Even if you bought a pair of denim and took them to a seamstress or a tailor, you could definitely do that as well, and it still won't cost you like a fraction of what some of these really go for. I just know not everyone's in a position to shop right now, and you can definitely be savvy with it and attain these certain looks with a little bit of DIY help. And yeah, I'm gonna have all of those videos in the description if you guys want to get crafty or just want to save a little bit of money. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. Let me know if you guys have any of these jeans or if there's any pairs of denim that you guys want me to try and do like a full-on review. I feel like that would be really fun on my Instagram. But with that being said, I am gonna go. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone!